After years of waiting, Dave finally brought up that TRX250R frame he's been promising me for years. And of course, as a 25th wedding anniversary, he also came up with his brother, and they brought me a project bike, a fix-it-it's locked up kind of thing. So this video is going to be on the KTM. I just had to show you guys the TRX frame. I'm so excited. It's going to be a full MX build. Here it is, 400 EXC, and it doesn't turn over. While it's got other problems, we're going to address the fact that it's not turning over, and that's what this video is on.
I mean, it's there, bro.
I saw the cover flex here when I loosened one of the bolts, and I'm like, you know what?
It's all bound up.
Did you lean this thing over to see if there's any oil in it? Because no coolant came out. No, that's a vent. What the fuck is that? That's not. Oh, okay.
Nah, it's still gonna be some oil coming.
Look at that flex.
So I'm saying something's bound up in it. Video.
If I add music to it, yeah.
Edit our voices out.
Oh, yeah. 99% of the time I just kill the audio and put my own up.
A few times. Yeah, I was in that video. No, I hear you in a couple. There's a couple you didn't delete you on. Nah, I know. Y'all weren't saying nothing crazy. Everybody loves that phone, right? I'm sure he double checks all this stuff. Pause it?
Well, high speed stuck clutch cover because, well, it's just finesse and wobbling. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle until it comes off. That's all you can do. Do not be brutal and violent with them. What?
Yeah. It ain't even on there right. Yeah. Told you something was bound up in that bitch. You can't even turn it.
Bound up? Shit, they got the pressure plate on in the wrong spot. But
It reminds me of an incident.
the crank spins.
It reminds me of an incident, Randy.
Randy.
That on the other hand.
Somebody brought a
While the gun does make taking these things apart a little bit easier, I'm not a fan of using guns on clutch baskets because I've seen the towers break off far too many times. Be it loosening or tightening, I always do this stuff by hand. Rarely will you see me use an impact or a gun on these because I've seen way too many towers snap. Always be careful with clutch baskets.
Damn, I know the bike runs. I want it.
There's the BB in there. Push rod and all that together, right?
That should be metal on metal. Like, oh, there you go.
Set him in the bucket.
So I carefully pull all the pins out, inspected all the clutch plates. Everything looked okay. It looked like it had an extra plate in there, which I'm really kind of confused about because metal on metal, you're not supposed to have a metal plate on the pressure plate. I put one pin back in so that the metal plates all have a guide. Stacked all the plates back in the basket, put all the pins back in, reassembled the basket. Everything seemed to sit correctly this time. I'm not quite sure what dude did to mess up the assembly on this basket, but when I put it back together, it sat flush, it got pressure, the clutch worked like it was supposed to, minus the fact that the slave cylinder needed to be bled, but that's another problem. It'd be nice if these things would come in with like one little problem. You know, gravy work is always nice to have, but it seems like this shop has been on a roll for the past 6 months to a year with absolute crazy issues. Stuff that's supposed to go smoothly does not go smoothly. Stuff that's supposed to be brand new and work correctly does not work correctly. If you go through the channel and check out the videos, you can see there's been a lot of nightmares over the past year. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We got off-road content, builds, mechanic fabrication, trying to do some reactions, although it seems like when I do reaction videos, I get copyright strikes and takedowns. So yeah, check out the video, keep an eye on the new videos, because if you catch them at the right time, you might get to watch them before YouTube decides to take them down. We're going to keep moving forward and keep pushing on. We're working on getting monetized. Need these videos to get watched as long as you possibly can. All the way through is when the time is counted. So you want to support this channel? We got live streams on the Sawyer Custom Gaming channel. You got mechanics problems, want to just hang out and talk? We hang out on the live streams after 9 o'clock nightly. I don't live stream on this channel because anytime I really try, it doesn't work out so well. I'll have it set up for the shop one of these years, but it's not going to be anytime soon. Still working on that. Need another laptop and a bunch of other gear. Being that this channel is not monetized and it's only me, there's only so much we can do. Here you go, 400 EXC put back together. See you in the next one, guys.